cabelos cor de mel singela. Seu nome é Mabel. É uma menina cheia de vida. Se vamos para a praia.
So, good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
Dove, I got Dove a new kitchen set here. It's so cute. Okay, ready. Say cheese.
I want to see.
Okay, one more. You want to see, but you can't see that way. Here, hold tight to your hat that you made. Good, well done, Dove. That's the other way. Yeah, there you go. Good job. Here, I'll take a picture of you, okay? Ready? Are you ready? Cheese. Ready? Cheese. Let's take a video of you. I think it's this one right here. I'm still figuring. Okay, yeah. Okay, are you ready? Okay, show me your new toy. She is creating art right now. She came up with this game. This is actually a sink from the kitchen that I just bought her. I got her this kitchen from Taobao. It's actually a Zara kitchen, but Taobao is selling it for a lot cheaper. So I was like, why not? Wow, look, Dove. Oh my goodness. That is a work of art.
Bouncy ball.
Yeah? Bounce, bounce, bounce.
My train.
Nice throw. Sometimes I feel like we buy toys as adults to heal our inner child. I know, like, I've been buying Dove a lot of toys, but honestly, it's really for myself because look how cute this stuff is. This is a fridge, and it even has like this turner for you to dial in the heat and the cold.
Hi, Gigi. Hi. Good morning. Oh, ta-da.
Can you sit there? Okay, sit right here. Yeah. Can you show mommy what each thing is, okay? So I'm gonna give you this and you're gonna show mommy. What is this, Debbie? Let's see if she can tell us. What is this, Debbie?
Milk.
Yeah, it's straw.
So pretty.
Yes, strawberry milk. Good job, Dove. Next, let's let them see it.
Boom.
Bum. What is this, Debbie?
Boom.
What is it? Is it sweet?
Bo.
Is it sweet or sour?
Sour.
Sour. So is this, what juice is this? What kind of juice?
Sour.
Orange juice.
I want juice.
Good job.
No.
I can't drink it.
Yeah, sour.
Oh, sour. But I like sour juice. Oh, so pretty.
That's all.
Okay. We are doing this together. I'm 2 days late with my, I don't need to explain, but now we wait 2 minutes to see if I'm pregnant. We're not pregnant. It's just one line. All right, let's just keep trying. That's a no. I don't know why I got so like excited. I thought it was pretty lit. I got so much new toys for Dove, and honestly, I don't even think they're really for Dove. I feel like this is like me fulfilling my childhood fantasy and healing my inner child, because now I can buy all these toys. Also, I just want to say my skin is kind of slaying right now. It looks super healthy and glowy. Hey, what's it called? My new skincare routine is really like given it lately, and the Medicube HR Booster H wand really does work. It's making my skin look super glowy. It's been super dry lately. Like the weather in Hong Kong has been like humid and then really dry and then humid and really dry. So anyway, loving it. Here at Feather and Bone. I actually came here to meet my friend Karina at Vogue, and I learned this today, but she writes for Vogue's food and beverage section. So literally the best person to have a meal with, because she knows all the best places in Hong Kong, and this was so good. I loved my meal here. It was delicious. I had a little wine to have a little bit of a flush, but I think had a really good time. Leo loves sardines and olive oil. I know it's a personal preference thing, because personally I don't like that, but he's in here shopping at the butcher. They have a butcher next to the food and beverage section. This is not normal things I usually find in Hong Kong.
Today's haul. I'm so happy. Let's go.
This is what I was talking about, the sardines Leo is obsessed with. Why do you like this stuff?
I don't know. It's just a childhood thing, I guess.
Oh, really?
I really like it.
I didn't know that you ate this when you were a kid.
Yeah.
This specific brand too?
No, it just looks the coolest.
Oh, okay. Here you go.
Thank you.
So we're gonna go, I wanna go check out that building right there.
Oh, word, yeah. Tea house. Oh, wait, is that dim sum?
I don't know. Let's see. Restaurant, Leo. It's too cool. You guys, we're going to Bakehouse right now. This is a spot that Karina recommended to be one of the best donuts and egg tarts. So I'm really excited to try this out. Usually there's a huge line, but right now I think we're at the off hours, so no line, so we're good. Oh shoot, we always look at the wrong side. Bro, this looks so good.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Slide!
Wow.
I know, right? You have your own obstacle course at home. I see you!
My phone case, lanyard. Very Hong Kong of me. Because we're always on WhatsApp.
they're running in place. Can you try? Good stomp, Dovey. Back at the office, actually got a whole new set of items from this website called Taobao, which is the equivalent of like Amazon or eBay, but more like Amazon. And I'm building a set here today because I want my YouTube background to really feel homey, as if I'm really at home with you guys. This is a completed setup for my YouTube videos. Isn't it so cute? You look like a crazy dude. Like, look at your hair. Like, who's crashing my set right now? So here's a set. The only thing I would do differently, I think, oh sorry, I was not even showing you guys. So homey. This is exactly the vibe I'm going for. Like, if I'm watching a YouTube video, this is what I want to look at. Like, feels very cozy. If you're looking behind me and you're like, where are you, Karen? I'm really excited about this because this is in my new office space. I bought this whole set off of Taobao. If you guys are gonna ask, the lamp, all of this stuff is from Taobao, and I don't know if they ship to America. I don't think they do, but you can probably take like an image of this and then put it on Amazon, and they might have something similar to that. Oh, I just went to the apartment tour, and Leo and I actually went together because I actually really like this place I showed you guys. The problem though is that it's just a little bit kind of out there. Like, it almost feels like you need a car. So I think we're gonna look around more, maybe check out Happy Valley, or maybe just stay at our own spot for now until the lease is up and see what's up. But yeah, there's more apartments that I did see that I want to show you guys in the future vlogs, so keep your eyes peeled for that. And I do plan on uploading these vlogs like hopefully once a week, and with my new like set that I'm so proud of, because look, this is like fireplace, if you guys can't tell. It's like basically my home now. I have so much like content that's gonna come out your way. Like, I have this whole box. I have this whole box of Judy doll makeup. This is a pretty grassroots like Taobao China makeup brand, and is it this one? It's like blew up on TikTok, and that's actually how I found out about this brand. Is it this one? Oh no, this is their blush. Look at how cute. Hold on, I need to do it's gradient too. I have to do a whole first impression videos with you guys, so I'm gonna do that today. But yeah, this makes me super excited. But there is this highlighter that they're super known for. Yes, these highlighters were breaking the internet on TikTok. So I really wanted to show you guys how I got like several. This is the one. It's gasp worthy. Look at that. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna wrap up this vlog and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!